Lancia Thesis, produced from 2002 to 2009, is another victim of reckless self-confidence. Creating a business sedan called Lancia Thesis, the Fiat Group spared no expense. Faith in Italian design and in God was great, because the prototype of the model called De Logos was presented to the Vatican. It would be logical to use the Alfa Romeo 166 platform for the novelty, but preference was given to the original chassis with multi-link aluminum suspensions. Investments amounted to €405 million, but they expected to quickly recoup, selling up to 25,000 cars annually. Alas, the miracle did not happen. More or less large customers turned out to be only Italian government agencies and taxi drivers, to whom Thesis was sold at a big discount. In general, in fact, it turned out to be the same Chrysler that they tried to pass off as an Italian car. The number of copies produced was about 16,000 cars.